What's going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? Here for another episode. Sam and Tim from Lake Pro Tackle. Guys, we're going to be doing another episode in the Guess the Bait category. So this is the second episode, but today I'm going to be trying to guess bait casting reels. Tim has gone out to the bar, picked out a couple reels, and I'm going to be telling you, I'm going to be reeling them behind this box here, trying to tell you and convey what I'm feeling and try to guess that reel. So got 8 of them. Tim, you want to get behind the camera there as well? And
if you can't figure out one brand, then I'm gonna you're gonna lose all the points. So.
Lose all my fishing points here. So I have my box ready to go. I'm gonna let Tim bring out the first reel here. All right, here we go. Here is reel number 1. I got it right here. Oh, it's a round reel.
It is.
I feel the grip. It's still smooth. This is definitely clicking drag. No clicking. No, yeah, clicking tension. Round reel. It could only be a Shimano or a bait, and the top here is flat. I think the Calcutta has little holes in the top there, and the little rubber sticky piece, definitely a bait's OG.
Okay.
Black and gold, baby. Black and gold. Feeling confident with that one. All right, here we go, guys. Ah, is this a left hand? Gosh, dog it. Oh, feeling a T-wing, so automatically a Daiwa. I feel, let me see, the shape of the frame is very consistent with a lot of different reels. Oh man, this one is symmetrical to a point. Clicking drag. Oh, wiffled spool. Oh shoot, is this, goes to a point though. This feels like an old, this is definitely a Tatula. Which one is it? I mean, we've got 2 different hundreds in the store. A 100, 150, 200. It's not a 200 and it's not a
Gonna start the
150.
Any minute.
Oh shoot. What braking does it have? Where's the braking? It's got a dial braking. Oh shoot. In terms of time, it also feels glossy. Like it doesn't feel matte. I think I have to go with a Tatula 70 left hand. Yeah. Just because of the wiffled spool, guys. Okay. I'm going to go with a Tatula 70.
Okay, all right.
And it had the 0 adjust, or slim adjust. Man, if I effed that up and it was like a Steez or something, I feel so embarrassed. It didn't feel like a Steez, though. I don't think it was that smooth.
All right. Batter up.
All right. This feels like an SLX. It's smooth. Oh. Is this a Metanium? This? Yeah, here. It's Metanium DC.
Okay.
I thought it was an SLX initially because of how smooth it was. The new SLXs are extremely smooth, but as soon as I felt the DC braking system, definitely Metanium DC.
Okay.
I have been extremely impressed with the new SLXs, to be honest. The new XT, super, super smooth. And the new SLX MGL, or newer SLX MGL, was also extremely smooth. Very similar to that in frame as well.
There we go.
All right, what is this, number 4?
Number 4.
4? Okay. Immediately feel rougher spool, holes. This is an Abu. This has to be an Abu. It's got that foam on there. Yeah. Oh, shoot. This isn't an SP, I think, and it's not an S. Is this the Abu? I'm trying to think. No. Oh, it could be a Lose. It's starting to feel more like a Lose. It's a much freer spool. Abus typically have a lot more inertia driven, where you have to actually push it. This feels like a Lose. This could be the Lose shallow spool, because it is a very wiffled spool. So,
okay.
Yeah, I'm going to lock in Lose shallow. It does have a, though the drag's a little tight. I'm going to lock in a Lose shallow spool.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not the SP, because the SP has a full, like a full flat spool.
All right.
Though the old Revos, like that, almost felt like an old generation Revo, like SX or like STX.
Yeah.
But I know the new Lus started to go to that foam. Typically, in your like lower end, like Mox or Crushes or whatever,
All right.
they use that. They use that wing grip stuff. Was it 6?
This is
Number 6.
5.
5.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's a Daiwa. Smooth here. I think this is initially a Tatula 100. Just how smooth it is. Okay. Yeah. Yep. That there. Let me feel the zero adjust. This feels like a new Tatula. It's not an older Tatula. This is a new model Tatula. The 150 has etching in the middle. This feels very symmetrical. I think it's a new Tatula 100 with the clicking drag.
Right down. Okay. Got it.
I feel, oh, and it has a sticker. I can feel like a little sticker here. I think it,
Sticker.
I think it says SV Boost on it.
Okay.
Not sticker, but it's like etched in there.
Alright.
There's so many different Daiwa reels that all feel so similar.
All right.
All right,
Ladder up.
number 6. And guys, we just got a load of Megabass rods. So, ooh, shikey. This feels like an Abu. Wait, I hear a clicking in there. This feels like an Abu. It's long handle. Definitely a long handle. Feels like that carbon. This feels like a Revo SX. If that pops out there, it's definitely a Revo. I think it's the Revo SX. It's really light too. Oh wait, no. Wait. Wiffled spool Xenon. I think this is a Xenon.
Okay.
Yep, wiffled spool pops out.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, this is Xenon. The one thing I complained about this reel was that it was loud casting due to the little pedals here. And it's light too, so the SX I know is heavier.
Okay.
I'm gonna go Xenon.
All right.
Yeah. I think Xenon MGX to be specific.
Okay. All right.
The handle stands out to me the most in the wiffled spool, because I know the Revo SX has a full, like, solid spool like an SP. But the wiffled spool in the Xenon allows it to cast super, super light lures.
All right, batter up.
That sounded heavy. Gosh. Freaking left hand. That's another Daiwa right off the bat. Oh. There's only, like, one thing this can be. This has to be the elite pitch flip.
Okay.
Yeah. It's got the big foam. Hold up. Side adjust. And zero adjust, Daiwa. Wiffled spool. Though, it's not like super shallow, but I think this is like the old, pitch flip.
Okay.
Yep. I think designed by Andy Montgomery, I believe.
Last one.
Last one here. Oh, good, a right hand. No? Am I dumb? Okay, yeah, it is right hand.
Right hand.
Okay. This feels like a Bantam initial. Wait. 1, 2, 3. No. I don't. What is this? Why is it so deep in there? Ooh. I think I'm gonna have a hard time with this one. Where is the brake adjustment on this sucker? Ooh. Tim, this is a tough one.
Yeah.
This is a very tough one. Did you mean for this one to be, tough?
I think so. Yeah.
What the hell?
Lots of choices.
This is a Shimano, I think. The way this grip is, it's a very tacky grip.
Mm-hmm.
It feels like a Shimano. It has a lot of inertia in it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not an MGL. It's not a 150. It's not a 70.
Mm-hmm.
Is it, though? It's not gloss, so I know it's not a 150.
Okay.
But where the... There it is.
Okay.
Wait. If I open... Oh, it could be a 150. Hold up. If it has... If it has 4 pedals on it, I think.
All right.
Yeah, my 70s have 6 pedals. How many pedals does this have? Get out.
Okay.
1, 2, 134.
Yeah.
Corrado 150. Maybe this one just got worked in a little more than the one straight out of the package.
Okay.
And it's also on the bottom, locking in with that.
Comes the Jeopardy song.
Oh, 2-3. It's not a bantam. Can't be a bantam. I'm going to lock in Corrado 150. It's got a little bit of weight. Initially, I didn't think so,
Okay.
but it's so deep set in there that I think it could be. Yeah.
Come over on that side now. Put it back together.
Put it back together blind.
Yeah. You took it apart.
Oh, fine.
All right.
It's like putting your gun together.
So, should I give you the good news?
What?
You've got a pretty good batting average if you were playing baseball.
Okay. That's pretty fast. I tried to rush him.
That's pretty good. All right. You missed 3.
Missed 3.
3.
All right. Which
right.
ones?
All right.
Oh, it's an SLX. So, I should have felt the dial. I should have felt. I didn't feel the dial. I rubbed the bottom.
This is the breaking
Yep.
in SLX. It's like that. It's not
Yeah.
like any other one.
Well, I felt the metanium.
Yeah.
I didn't feel that one because I rubbed right under it. And I was like, God.
I think Bantam does that, and the have that. break.
Bantam, metanium, MGL,
Yep.
but it's so heavy.
Yep. So, all right. So that was one you missed.
It was smooth.
Let's go back to number 1. So you already
All
know
right.
you missed number 8. Number 1 was right.
All right,
OG
yep.
Bates.
Yep.
Number 2 was right.
Oh, here. Let me see the reels. We'll show them to the
let's
camera
show
here.
Number 2 was actually you guessed Tatula 70. Tatula 70.
Oh,
Yeah,
it was
what
a
was it?
BF.
It was-
This uses the exact frame as a Tatula 70,
Yes.
so I'm giving myself points on that.
Yeah.
Or at least half points, because it uses the exact same frame as a 70.
No.
I think the only way I could have told that this was a BF was as shallow as a spool was.
Yep. That's one.
That's
right
I
there.
think the only way I could have told the difference between the two.
See
So,
this one you got here. You did get this
That
one
guy
quick-
right there.
really fast. This was number 3, and
Yep.
that was the Metanium DC. You got.
So
that
this was
one
number
really
3. The cool thing about the Metanium DC is it is core solid, so I felt that immediately. It feels very centered in your hand, and of course the DC whirling noise and the DC braking
Yep.
on the bottom there.
fast. Yep. This one here, you were going around in circles for a while, but you played with it enough to figure it out. That was the Shallow Spool Custom Light,
Yep, shallow spool custom light,
which is a very, very good reel.
very good reel.
Really good.
I caught a 50-pound catfish on that sucker.
Mhm. That was a cat.
It's my catfish reel.
Yeah.
All
That was
right.
Really good. That one it was impressive. Okay, number 5.
It almost got me with the foam handles on here.
This is
I will
one
say.
This is one that you
That
missed.
I missed this one. It was a Steez, wasn't it?
This is
Steez
Steez.
SVTW.
So, I think what you should have got with this one is feel how shallow the thing. You have to have a tool.
Oh yeah, see, I kept getting blocked by the star.
So how you can't even grab on the Steez.
What'd I say it was?
You said you gave it just a Tatula 100.
Tatula 100.
You even went like low ball.
Really low-balled
your
it.
Steez there.
Yep.
Okay.
I guess I should have felt that. You can hear
All right.
now that I see it, you can audibly hear that clutch engaging.
Yeah.
But
And this one here was impressive.
super,
to
super
me,
smooth.
Too. This one right here.
that's embarrassing.
You got this one right, but you did it. That was really good. That was a Xenon.
It is the Xenon.
You pulled it out.
So that number
Which
6.
is a super, super light reel.
Yep.
And it does, it's like you said, it's a little, but it casts great. A little long
hear that.
loud, but it's, yeah, it casts nice. Okay.
All right, on to number 7.
You got, immediately, I mean, this was pretty simple. You got this
Yep.
one, dead giveaway, the pitch flip. Dead
Daiwa.
giveaway was the longer handle,
Longer handle and the core
Foam.
or
And the
foam knobs.
long
Long
foam
foam knobs.
knobs.
Yep.
more torque. All right, and then we already went over, the last one which you missed was the SLX.
SLX. So that was 9.
So you got 3, no, you got
Or oh, we only did 8. Sorry.
You got your 5 out of 8.
5 out of 8. So the ones I missed
Yeah.
were the SVTW, confusing it with the 150,
Yeah.
which
And the
I'll
SLX,
give myself that one.
SLX I thought would be a curveball. The SLX
So-
one.
what we take away from this is Daiwas
Yeah.
are very confusing based on frame alone. If you know the difference between them,
Yep.
of course, the different braking systems
Yep.
utilized in each
That's
one
it.
of them.
That's the other one too on Steez is that the braking on it.
is on the
is
bottom.
A little dial on the bottom.
Yep.
Correct.
Yep. Forgot to take that into consideration. And then this one here, I mean, what I say it was? I said it
But
was.
that could have been.
It could have
really-
been.
It could have been maybe a bantam because of this kind of thing right
It's
here.
just not as smooth. It's as heavy. So with SLXs, they use the Hagane gearing. They don't use micro module.
Yeah.
I kind of felt that,
Yeah.
but at the same time, it's so hard to tell because it's the same core solid-ish body. It takes the same frame as a bantam. It's just not. See, if you noticed, I was flicking it.
Yep.
I was like, it can't be a bantam, right? So.
I probably could have told you all the Daiwas. But some of them were tough. I think would have been really tough is like that just the SLX, because there's a lot of variant in that SLX world too.
Yep. I think the only way, like I said, I could have told was I didn't feel that. I didn't.
Thought you would get this one.
Well,
I thought
it's
you
the
would
same body as a 70. Like if we go grab a 70 right
Yeah.
now, it's the exact same
body.
new body.
Yeah.
But the spool itself, I should have felt the whiffles in there as opposed to the new 70. I don't think has whiffles.
You're still bona fide.
Not bad.
You can sell reels at that,
If I were to miss any, I'd rather miss the Daiwas because
yeah, and you got the ones that you got. Yeah, like the Metanium one right here. Like this one right here is pretty easy. If you look, it's got the two. You got the
two
line
breaking.
settings.
Yep.
And there's only what the Antares DC MD and this one.
Right,
Is what does
right.
it right now. And then you got your braking right here on it, and that's only two reels
Yep.
that could be. So.
Oh, spinning.
And then it has the bigger tension.
Spinning would be impossible.
No, it would be impossible.
It would be
Other than if
improbable.
I can figure
like
out
if I gave you a Kage and a Tutula.
No.
Well, actually,
Maybe.
the handle is so different. The little cork piece.
Yeah. Yeah, you'd have to know you're being tested and have do
Yeah.
braille testing for like a month to figure out what was which.
Yep.
But they're really good, Sam.
Not bad. Not bad. I tried to rush it too, but that one.
Yeah.
Oh well. Oh well. Got the baits. Got the Abu. Got the Luz. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Nice short, sweet one. Kind of. I mean, it was 18 minutes, so. Not terrible, guys. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video. And, if we can get this up to, let's say 100 likes, we'll do one with spinning reels. Make it a real challenge. So make sure to share the video. And I think we'll make Tim do the spinning reels. He's a spinning reel master. He's a spinning guy. Uses a wide range of different products in spinning. So should be a fun one. So let's get this video up to 100 likes. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time at Lake Pro Tackle. See ya.